buckle up. We got some good stuff. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm back with another try on haul featuring Halara. So big shout out to Halara for partnering with me on today's video to share with you some new spring, early spring pieces. It's about to be my favorite time of the year, which is Halara Activewear dress season, which I wear 24/7. They are my favorite thing to live in. I have quite the collection, but they've launched some new colors as they always do, and I needed to pick them up. So as always, they did provide me with a code, which is Kelly's Life, and that will save you 20% off of full price items on their site. So without further ado, let's jump in. I am super excited. I found some incredible pieces. Before we jump into the full spring, let's do the one winter piece that I did get, because I had been wanting like a long puffy coat that's like super oversized that I can like layer under. Of course, now it's 70 degrees, but this would have been great a little while ago when it was snowing. Nonetheless, Punxsutawney Phil saw a shadow, so we're probably getting another 6 weeks. But this coat is like the most marshmallowy-ish, plushiest coat I have like ever seen. I believe I got this in a medium. I did a size up. I don't think they had a small. I probably would have just gone true to size, but if you want it to fit like this, size up. Either way, I mean, I don't mind an oversized jacket. I am not wearing a puffy jacket for style. I mean, this looks cute, but I'm wearing it for the warmth. And this is literally like being the Michelin Man. This is so freaking fluffy. I don't know if you can see how like thick this fluff is. It is incredible. I love the buttons down the side, so you can kind of like actually move your legs if you need to. Like it will go all the way down to the knees, so it's really nice. I also love this like gray color. I feel like it goes with like everything. Little drawstrings on the hood. Epic. This is such a good jacket. I'm so excited to wear this if it does get cold, but honestly I wouldn't be mad if it didn't, and I will save this gladly until next year and look like the Michelin Man then. But for now, this is literally incredible. It does also have pockets, zippers. It has zipper and Velcro to get in and out of, and I love. Okay. Let's start off with two pieces that literally blew my mind. So I have like really loved this new trend that's coming back, which is a longer line tank, like for the gym space. I feel as though we went a lot of like crops, skimpy, mini, whatever, but there's something so nice about a tank that just flatters the body. And I saw that they launched these in full length. They have them in cropped, which I have a pink one in a cropped version, but they have these in full length, and I fear I need them in every single color. I got them in black and white to start with. Like these tanks, when I put these on my body, I'm like, where have you been my whole life? Where have you been? I love the scoop in the front, thick straps. So like they're the little kind of definition under the bodice. Like you can tell just by looking at this, like it's got shape to it already before like just hanging straight, you know, like it's cut, not just straight. It is perfection, okay? Anyway, it's kind of got that underlying bodice. It's got removable cup pads. I did keep them in for both of these and I liked them, right? Yes, there's one that I took out. And then the back, you've got this crisscrossy number, like so cute. These are perfect. I think black and white you can match with all of different leggings and it will look great. Love the little logo in the front too. I think that's such a cute touch. But I love these. I didn't want to take these off. It's so cute. I think I will get a ton of use out of this, especially for upper body days. I feel like it's like concealed, like nothing's gonna pop out. And they're really flattering. They're very like hourglass hugging. Love these so much. Obviously, also got it in white, like I said. I will see what other colors they have as well to kind of match some of the leggings that I have. But I'm also not minding like a mix match moment. I've never not minded a mix match moment. I like both. I love it all monochromatic, and then I love a fun switch up. Got the twist back in the back. So stinking cute. And I got these in a small instead of a medium, which I normally get my tops in a medium from there, but the small fits perfectly. I feel like if I were to size up, I would have a lot of like, it wouldn't be as form-fitting. So go true to size for those for sure. These are also like, where have you been? Okay, I got the legging version of these last month. I think it was last month. And then when I saw that they had them in the like flare wide leg, I was like, oh my God, those are gonna be so flattering. And I was right. I love this sort of waistband that has the little string on it. These have back pockets, which are super cute. So no front pockets. You have the logo, I believe, on the leg. Yep, right there on the leg, super minimal. This is like a navy bluish gray with white stripes in it. So cute. And like, honestly, just insanely flattering. I couldn't, this with that white top, so good. Like, I want it to be warm enough to be able to wear right now. These are absolutely adorable. I think these, I got them in the tall because I knew that I did not want them to be cropped even in the slightest. And a sneaker adds a little bit of height to me, so I'm good with them being even a little bit. And if I needed to, I could hem them, but I think the tall is perfection. Absolutely in love. Also got the black with the gray piping, which these are the leggings that I have. I have this color in legging form. Again, just insanely flattering with this waistband. The pockets and just the long leg, insanely, obviously stretchy, but these are thick. Not really like a brushed material, I would say, but not like a slick material. Like, there's no shine to the material. Just a stretchy, good legging. No notes, literally no notes. Got these in a small, tall, and I could not be more in love. They've got the little aglet detailing on the bottom of the strings. And yes, the small, tall, I'm like 5'6"-ish for reference. I went the majority of my life thinking I was 5 foot until the other day I measured myself when I was measuring Arlo for something, and realized that I am in fact 5'6". So there's that. Sorry if I've misled you in any way. But let's, are you kidding with these colors? They scream like spring. Okay, so you guys know, activewear dresses, literally only Halara. 2 styles are my absolute favorite. The like one with the little zipper is like my go-to with like the removable shorts. And then if I'm gonna get this dress, which this is like my favorite style, it has to, without a doubt, has to have the little butt flap, okay? I'm not rocking without a butt flap. Like, it's just too, like, this is the deal. If you're wearing it in like normal weather, probably no big deal. But if you're like sweaty from like, let's say you were mowing the lawn or you were like walking or whatever, like, I'm not pulling that whole thing down and like putting it back up on my sweaty body. Like, I need this little booty flap, okay? This is such a game changer. And when they released this, I was like, I will never buy another activewear dress again, because these are just my favorite and they come in a million different colors. So when I saw this, I believe this is like their avocado green. Loved it. It's a very muted, soft, like, this is such a pretty green to me. I feel like Arlo's Nursery was kind of this color. Maybe it was a little more sagey, but adorable. Built-in bra situation, like a whole, you know, the whole body is one piece, which I enjoy. I think that gives you the most like suck and such, whatever. I'm normally a small. They also have come out with longer lengths as well. If you've never purchased the dresses because they're a little bit short, I get you. They've come out with longer lengths as well. They have the little logo in the back with just this little crisscross. These straps do not adjust. They have ones that do adjust if you need that. So yeah, and the frame on this is just, it's too good. It's too good. Now, I accidentally ordered this in an extra small. I mean, it will work. I will make it work. Like, I mean, you saw it on. It's not like I'm busting out at the seams, but I do prefer the small. But this denim blue, I mean, I don't know if it's called denim blue. I don't think it is such a beautiful color. Like, I will wear this 24/7. I love this material. Also, I love that the bodysuit runs all the way through. If you're a sweaty girl, okay? Like, I need some sort of barrier, okay? Because if not, my boobs are just sweating. It's a hormonal thing, I think. I don't know. It's just me. It is what it is. But this, I don't see the boob sweat. The Abercrombie ones that I used to wear back in the day before I found these, it was so bad. Like, I was so embarrassed because you could just see. No, terrible. I mean, if I'm working hard and my whole body is sweating, then yeah, it's a different story. But like, just day to day, no issues. So absolutely love this color and so excited to have this in my collection. The little logo back here. Again, same thing. I'm not buying a dress without removable shorts or a booty flap. I also believe these are like lined. Oh no, you can buy some that are lined though. Like that have, if you don't want to wear underwear underneath them, they have like pad kind of things in them, so you can kind of do that as well. They have so many different options, but I just prefer the streamlined, sleek, minimal sort of dress like this. I just feel like it gives sundress in the best possible way, the most like flattering, secure, held in, whatever. I love wearing a little like linen button up over the top of this. So good. And those two colors, give me spring, give me spring. Okay. One thing I didn't own, and I own a lot of activewear, I did not own a gray pair of leggings, okay? These are one of my favorite styles. No, this is my favorite style without a doubt. The crisscross waistband, this gray. These are like their most like stretchy skin-like feeling leggings. These feel like nothing on the body, but they still somehow make it look so like sleek and seamless. Do you know what I'm talking about in that way? Like, I want a legging that's still gonna give me some sort of like compression, that I'm not like lumpy and bumpy, but not like too much where I'm feeling like a busted can of biscuits. I could wear these all day, every day. They have no top seam, which is really nice. They do have no front seam, but they do have a butt seam, which is kind of nice for some separation. I don't know, all the girlies are saying gray leggings make the butt look great. I mean, I'm not sure it's really working for me, but nonetheless, these are the most comfortable skin-like leggings, and that's what I look for in my leggings. I believe these are 25 inch, which is fine. I go between a 25 or a 28 inch inseam is what I prefer for my leggings. I don't like them super high. I like it with enough where I could wear a sock and cover the bottom of the legging. Pockets, like I said, and this gray color is just kind of really pretty. It's very neutral, but I like it. It's almost like a bluey gray. Insanely stretchy, like you can't. And they like wad up to not, like this is like how? Like what? I can hold this in a hand. Like they're thin, but they're so good and so incredibly stretchy. And the seam detail, like always, is just immaculate. And these are like teeny tiny little seams down the legs, and they're perfection. It does have a small little gusset as well. But I still always wear my JIV athletic underwear, and then the logo. But I love this crisscross waistband, and I think that looked great with those little full-length tanks too as well. Even though it has the crisscross, you could still wear the full-length tanks, or you could wear something shorter. My second favorite thing from Halara to wear in the spring and summer are their athletic skirts. I think these are just like an easy way to feel more put together than just like an athletic short, even though, okay, those are my like third favorite thing. They're athletic shorts for walking and running. I mean, running, girl, I don't run, okay? Walking, the end, house stuff, whatever. I'm literally living in them. I actually have one pair that I dedicated to painting in because they're just like so comfortable. I can like wear them all day long, and I'm in love with them. Obviously, I didn't want them to be painting shorts. That was by accident, but I have them in other colors, so I'm not mad about it. But if I'm not wearing their athletic shorts, I'm wearing their skirts. Again, crisscross waistband. When I was looking for my athletic shorts for painting the other night though, for our downstairs project, I found my bin of skirts, and I was like, I can't wait for all the fun colors. I have like orange and pink, and they're just so good. But again, crisscross waistband. These are a little bit thicker of a material than the leggings, but again, still beautiful in terms of like the seamlessness at the top. The front has no seam. The back has a little bit of a seam, but nothing where it's like digging in or cutting in, just simply to hold that back up, which I enjoy. I like this style of skirt the best. I like the two pleats. So it's got the one panel in the front and then the one panel in the back. I just find that it's the most flattering because your like sides can split without it looking like, if they're one piece, it can feel a little suffocating, whereas these just feel like a running short, like basically like a dolphin short, if you will, but there's still a little bit of movement to it because the panel is not just straight down. And then the little logo on the back, and it's kind of got like the little dip V. These are just so cute, and I love the color of this. And then as always, they've got the little matching shorts underneath with the two pockets. So easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I think they call the dresses easy peasy. I don't know, but love this. And these are just so incredibly flattering. I grabbed two tops as well. I really like their like off the shoulder sort of tops that I can throw over the top of a sports bra or something like that to continue to run errands. I kind of keep one of these in my car, not like specifically, but like something like this if I'm going from like, I used to do it all the time when I worked out at Core Power and stuff, or even like in Illinois, but these are nice for over the top of a workout set, or honestly, by themselves. I love that this is like an off the shoulder. This is so incredibly soft, like a cottony, stretchy material. It's kind of got a heathered effect, and I liked the green. I love this side ruching. I don't know, I hated it for so long. I feel like I just never gravitated towards side ruching. I always thought it looked cheap, but honestly, it's incredibly flattering because I am somebody who likes loose, but also can appreciate like a structure. And I feel like this is giving like a structured sort of fit. And I love all the like gathering here. It feels like it's kind of showing off your waist, but it's also like forgiving because it's ruched. I don't know, I'm here for it. Off the shoulder, long sleeve, and this just is great with really any sort of neutral workout tops that I have. I have these in workout sets that I have. They have this in a bunch of colors too, but I really loved the green, and I can just see myself throwing that. Maybe it's a little chillier and I just want to throw something on to kind of walk or go to the grocery store or whatever. That is what I would go for. And then this I showed with those striped leggings, but honestly, I think this would look great with a pair of like their trousers, and which I have a billion of. But this is, again, just kind of like an off the shoulder. It's a stretchy material, but it's an off the shoulder like top, not like fully off the shoulder, shorts, like kind of cap sleeve, which is super cute, and then it's got the ruching on the side. I think this is adorable, and I think this is kind of just like one of those staple pieces that if you don't know what to wear but you want just like a black cute top, go to. I think it's cute, and it's kind of boat necked, which is really sleek. I already know it's gonna be comfy too, because everything that Halara does is extremely comfortable. It's just like so practical. You can tell like they're just like first and foremost comfort, second and third most, what? First and foremost, second and second most, how does that go? I don't know. Comfort and all the colors. So I hope you guys enjoyed, found this video fun, helpful. If you've never ordered from Halara, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know why, but at least browse, check it out, and then use code Kelly's Life, and that will save you 20% off any full price items on their site. They're also always running amazing sales as well. Their app is my favorite way to shop. And yeah, again, big shout out to Halara for partnering with me on today's video. I will have all of the items on the YouTube shop button, as well as in the links down below with my sizing and general measurements to help you guys out. I love you guys so much. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next one very, very soon. Bye.